on the house. Happy viewing po. Ang ating pong magigiting na referee, Joshua Gutierrez and EJ. Pederipe, EJ Pederipe.
White team versus yellow team. The white team is headed by our commissioner, Mr. Olan the Tank Reyes. And for the yellow team, wearing jersey number 17, the commissioner, Edgar the running man, Bruna. Okay, first five. Puna mo tayo, puna. First five for the yellow team. Wearing jersey number 25, Tolentino. Jersey number 69, one of the point guard, Team Umil. Wearing jersey number 21, Saloma. Wearing jersey number 41, the Tower, Shooter Tower, Mr. Omar Ronquillo. And last but not the least, wearing jersey number 17, the trigger man, Mr. Edgar Bruna. Larry Bird,
The running bird.
and now the opponent, the white team. Wearing jersey number 1, the guard, Mr. Escalona.
Takin lang po tayo, takin. Takin lang po. Brad, takin lang para maganda tatakin. Takin lang po tayo, takin.
Jersey number 16, one of the forward, Mr. Urpiana. And jersey number 11, Mr. Kaurag Borilla. Wearing jersey number 31, one of the forward, Mr. Albert Pahudpud. And last but not least, the guy. Wearing jersey number 34, power forward, Mr. Jojo Basilan. Okay, it's a championship game between the white team and the yellow team. Golden Achievers Basketball Association. Jump ball between Ronquillo and Urpiana. Oh, Mr. Triggerman, number 17, takin daw, takin. Edgar Bruna, takin.
Edgar, takin ka, takin. Takin.
Larry Bird, takin. Okay, jump ball, Ronquillo and Urpiana. Okay, nakakuha ni Tolentino, intercept by Escalona. Escalona looking for his teammate, being guarded by O'Neal. To Urpiana. Pass to Albert on the side, no good. Yellow ball. No good, rebound on Albert, pass on Escalona. Escalona. Pasok ka, Orag. Being guarded by the number 17. Prona to Mr. Basilan. Tumira, wala. Rebound, Umil. Umil. Pass to the trigger man. Larry Bird for three. No good. Rebound on plan to Escalona. Escalona to Albert. Albert. Basilan. Nawala mula. Still by Umil. Being guarded by Escalona. Umil. Umil. Nakuha ni Escalona. Basilan ang nag-rebound. Being guarded by Valentino. Basilan. Tumira, wala. Rebound on. Count up on the 3-point territory. No good. Basilan. Ako na mula. Anderson by Ronquillo. Ronquillo, nakapag ni Mr. Pruna for the first 2 points. Yes! Larry Bird. Takbo na yan. Sipo nila. Albert for 3. Umil, pasok po lagi. Grabe ka na ipautot. Pasok Umil. Ito Ronquillo. Ronquillo. Pasok Valentino. 3 seconds violation. Orpiana is at 2 points. Umil. Umil, sering na pa ilong pag-estimate. Umil. To Larry Bird, to Dino Sandres. Wala. Rebound on Umil again. Bigger by Gaurag. Umil side step. Umil jump shot. No good. Rebound on Umil again. Umil, bigger by stop. Pass to Saloma. Saloma is in points. First basket for Saloma. Escalona now. Output, Escalona. Basilan, 3-point territory. No good. Good back sa kapay Tolentino na ako na Saloma. Saloma on the run. Saloma pass to Umil. Basket coming for Umil. Escalona. Crossing half court line. Escalona. Pass to Albert. Point good. Nawala ang bola. Out of bounds. Umil. Ronquillo. Ronquillo. Jumps. No good. Rebound on Orpiana. Orpiana pass to Escalona. Escalona. Ready for shipping. Escalona. Sumalaksak. Wala. Na-rebound ni Umil. Umil. Pass to Saloma. Saloma. Malibot ang bola. Ako na Ronquillo. Ronquillo lays up. Basketball. Howard Whitey. Happy viewing to Mr. Kirby Arellano. Okay, back to the ball game. Cholo inbound. Escalona. Escalona setting up. Abito. Abito. Time remaining 5 minutes and 30 seconds at the first quarter. Score is 8-5 in favor of the yellow team. Abito, tumira, wala. Riba ng Orpiana. Orpiana being by Tolentino. Orpiana pass to Paul Pod. Paul Pod to Abito. Being on the level. Good position, pass to Cholo. There's a whistle. What's the whistle, rep? Holding foul on number 41. Ronquillo. First personal foul on Ronquillo. Hold good to Abito. Being guarded by Larry Bird. Pass to Escalona. On the 2-point territory. Seymour. Abito. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Ronquillo. Ronquillo to Omil. Omil on the dribble. Being guarded by Paul. Omil was the next up. Omil. Pitch down. Being guarded by two. Right chest. There's a whistle. Foul on number 31. Foul on number 31. Paul Put, first personal foul. Omil on the charging line. Substitution rep. Substitution. Escalona out. Dimaranan to the ball game. Omil on the charging line to number 2. First attempt. No good. Second attempt for Omil. Basket counted. Substitution rep. Saloma out. Mr. Harold Jeans in and Lozada to the ball game. Dimaranan, the point guard for the white team, pass to Orpiana. To Albert on the side to Mira. Albert, the sideman for 2. Louis being guarded by Cholo. Pass to King. Setting the play. Pass to Tolentino. Almost an intercept. Seymour. Lozada. To Louis. Louis. Tumira. Basket. Shot by Louis. First 2 points for Louis. Hannibal Hennes. Cholo setting the play. Pass to Albert. Albert again on the side. No good. Rebound on Lozada. Pass to Louis. Louis intercept by Albert. Albert will proceed. Pass to Orpiana. Orpiana zigzagging. Using the board. No good. Rebound on Tolentino. Nagagawa po sila. Tolentino. Tolentino. Oh. White ball. Yellow ball. Correction, yellow ball last time, Sean Albert. Ronquillo, 13, the commissioner, Omil. Tuloy, pass to Lozada. Ronquillo, pagkakita sa 3, no good. Rebound on Omil, Omil fakes, Omil. Louis fakes, jumps, no good. Rebound on Orpiana. Oh, there's a whistle. Foul number 19, Hermo Hennes. Holding foul. Two-team foul for the yellow team. Dimaranan Dimaranan. Pass to Abito. Abito fakes. Abito. There's a foul on number 25, Tolentino. 2 shots for Abito. 13 foul, yellow team. Albito, first attempt, basket. Second attempt for Albito. 2 for 2 for number 15, Albito. Umil crossing half court line. The score is 11-9, 2-point lead by the yellow team. Ronquillo, Page jumps, Ronquillo, 42 points. Forty seconds remaining. Albito left-handed shot, no good, rebound on Tolentino, nawala ang bola. Tolentino, pass to Lozada. Umil, Page jumps, no good. Rebound on Lozada, Umil, no good. Now, what do you have? 20 seconds remaining. Diorana, 6 seconds, Diorana lays up, no good. Tolentino for the big rebound, pass to Ronquillo. Ronquillo being on the Albert, Ronquillo tumira sa tres. Wala rebound on Tolentino. Tolentino for the putback, blocked by Rotana. Umil, pass to Ronquillo, no good. Rebound and for the first quarter. End of the first quarter. The score is 13-9 in favor of the yellow team.
Sa mga nanonood po, huwag po kayong alis. Meron po tayong kainan after.
Kakatapos ko yan eh. Okay, back to the ball game. Ayan na po, pumasok na po ang ating commissioner. Number 7, titingnan niya. Back to the ball game. Dimaranan looking for his teammate to Silbanana. Silbala. Oh. The commissioner, 2 minutes of press. The commissioner is the time for 3. First 3 points in the ball game by the commissioner. Saloma. Ayan po, papalitan. Wala. The score is 13-12. Yan ko ni Saloma. Matikan naman ang bola. Saloma meron. Saloma Liza for the 2 points. Saloma. Intercept by number 18. Balbuena. Ang naka-steal. Yan po, Saloma. Pasok Balbuena na intercept. Nakakuha ni... Sa kanya pa rin. Balbuena wala. Nariban ng Balbuena. Sa Reyes. Paso sa... Silvaniana. Dimaranan. Waiting for his teammate. Dimaranan. Pass to no one. Okay, Saloma. Signing the play, Saloma. Tumira sa tres. Saloma! 3! In favor of the yellow team. Dimaranan setting the play. Looking pass to Orpiana to Reyes to win sa press. Malakas ang tira. Nariba ni Saloma. Pass to Avalos. Same ball. Time out. Okay, time out, white team. Shout out nga po pala. Thanks for watching Miss Maybelline Perez. Miss Maybelline Perez, thank you for coming. Okay, back to the ball game. Time remaining 7 minutes and 56 seconds. 18-12 in favor of the yellow team. Avalos, tumira, wala. Narimani Cruz for the putback. That's a whistle. Loose ball foul. Follow number 14, loose ball foul. Dimaranan. Bingga na may Bruna. Dimaranan nakawala. Dimaranan zigzagging. Wala ang bola na nakawala ni Saloma pass to Bruna. Got the ball. Bruna ready for his teammate. Bruna. Laribel pass to Saloma. Laribel to take it. Out of bounds. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Dimaranan out, Escalona in. Escalona. Reyes. Silbalana. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Nari-body na for the putback ni Torres. Wala. Nakakuha pa rin Saloma. Saloma na naman rin Saloma. Yung zigzag. Saloma. Still behind Escalona now on the middle. Escalona zigzagging. Isaac left-handed, no good. Rebound on Avalos. Avalos na wala bola. Escalona again. Escalona. At ang galing sapatos si Avalos. Kaya po, for the putback. Orpiana na wala. Siwana, pass to Orpiana. Pass to Reyes. Tumira. No good. Rebound on Bruna. Bigyan kay Siwana. Bruna, Piana sa whistle. Foul on number 21. Basila to the ball game. Orpiana out. Cruz, balik, basket counted for Cruz. First 2 point for Cruz. Escalona, to Mr. Basilan, tumira. Wala, rebound on Balbuena, pass to Bruna sa isip, nakakuha ng foul again. Foul number 21. First attempt for Larry Bird. Short. Second foul for the white team. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Torres. Torres to Escalona. Escalona. Escalona pass to Abner for two. Balbuena to Avalos. Bruna. Bruna. Larry tumira. Basket counted. Huwag ni Sir Edgar Bruna. Larry Bird. Escalona. Escalona. Ring no pass to Reyes. Escalona. Abner tumira sa press. Wala. Arriba ni Torres. 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 Wala ang bola na ako ni Balbuena. 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 Wala bola. Saloma now. Saloma tumira. Piyasa kay Avalos. For 2 points. Hanap white team. Sorry, stop na stop. Rep, stop lang. Stop lang, stop. Hindi mo pwede. Dos. Okay. Okay, announcement sa mga team. Yung magsasampo, lapit kayo dito. Kung meron po kayong substitution, lapit po kayo dito. Ayan po, Umil. Pass to Balbuena. Balbuena, back to Umil. Ayan po, nakuha ni Albert. Albert for the steal. Albert, wala ang bola. Nakuha ni Louis. Louis, zigzagging, lays up. Walang nakakuha ng foul. Pinamahaan sa mukha. Foul number 34. Basilan. Reyes out. Piana back to the ball game. 30 foul, yellow team. First personal foul on Sir Jojo Basilan. Louis Hermogenes, first attempt. Wala. Second attempt for Hermogenes. Wala pa rin. Albito. Escalona. Torpiana. Wala ang bola. Oh, Sir Alex Tuno. Umil. Bad pass. Escalona. Zigzagging, being guarded by Umil. Escalona. Albito for the screen. Albito, jump. Wala. Na-rebound ni Balbuena. To Sir Alex Tuno. Umil, being guarded by Paul Wood. Umil. Last 2 minutes remaining at the second quarter. Ito sa Albito. Paul Wood, nagkamalay Paul Wood. On the one pass to Albito. Albito lays out. Basket counted. The score is 24-16 in favor again. Pa rin ng yellow team. Ronquillo, wala. Rebound ng Balbuena. Balbuena, block from behind. Balbuena, Balbuena back. Yes. Time is up, Balbuena. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Nawala ang bola. The score is 26-16. A 10-point lead by the yellow team. Umili. Louis. Being guarded by Albino. Pass to Ronquillo. 2 minutes at rest. Ronquillo for 3. 50 seconds remaining. The score is 29-16. 13-point lead by the yellow team. Nawala ang bola, nakakuha ni Balbuena. Ronquillo. Pressing the ball. Ronquillo. Ronquillo, pinasa kay Louis. Louis tumira sa tres. Louis, wala. Rebound ni Mr. Basilan. Basilan wala. Intercept by Mr. Alex Tumang. Pass to Louis. Louis, Umil. Umil, tumira sa tres. Wala. Louis, takes. Louis. Foul on number 1. Escalona. Wala pa. First personal foul on Escalona. Louis pa rin. Louis. Alex Tumang. Mr. Alex, na good. Kaya po, nakakuha ni Albino. Pinasa kay Escalona to Albert. Reverse. Wala. Di ba ni Will? 2, 1. End of the second quarter. First half of action. Championship, the finals between the white and the yellow team.
Isa pong napakagandang laban. Parang mga manok. Texas. Shout out po kay Mrs. Madeline Perez on the house. Good evening po, ma'am.
Thank you for watching the finals.
Na-miss po namin kayo.
White House versus Rise and